So my name is Ryan, I'm Director of Education at the D&T Association. So we're here at Medway today, we've got a D&T day, the sun's out, got lots of different materials, really enthusiastic teachers, exploring everything to do with design and technology. Had a focus mainly to do with mechanisms, so we were exploring the D&T curriculum really from early years all the way through to Key Stage 4, looking at mechanisms as a driver for everything, assessing what design and technology is all about in our different settings and getting hands-on with different tools, equipment, so we were learning lots of skills, different knowledge, and again that kind of collaboration really, learning from different teachers. I've picked up loads of different tips as well and taken a load of photos and things throughout the day that I'll be taking back to improve my practice too.
It's great, it's really informative. It's nice to sort of put our brains together with other teachers, and to have a DT lead teaching us all about that is great, it's fantastic. We've also got to go into Bradfields a little bit and have a look at their DT department, which is really interesting, looking at how to make the environment and just the overall subject more inclusive for other students. It's really nice to know that there's that network that you can have with the different academies and different trusts. You can just find those different ideas and you've constantly got that support from other networks.
It's really great, it's hands-on, thinking about what DT is and how you can incorporate it and make it all fun and relevant in the classroom. And we've actually had to look around a workshop at the school we're in where lots of equipment and things have been adapted for children with special educational needs, which is absolutely mind-blowing. It's just been really good just to speak to practitioners from other establishments and yeah, just learn lots of new things and fresh ideas as well.
Working with the PTI is great because we always have really sort of hands-on sessions, but it's also a really good opportunity to speak to other teachers and other practitioners to share ideas. You know, it's not just a sort of a lecture style, it's a really collaborative opportunity to learn from each other. So working with the PTI, we always sort of seem to get really, some beneficial elements out of it, and everybody usually leaves the day with a smile on their face and a handful of different things that they've learned.